In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a table on Excel. So it's very much simple. I'll be showing you guys how to do this in a minute in this video. So we are trying to create a border around everything here. You get it? So now let's start. So to do this, you can see there's our cursor here. The plus you see on the screen, this is our cursor. So you place it here. So we want to create the border around everything. So from here to here, you get it? So it's like you're highlighting something. A long press on your left side of your mouse. So let's do that. Good. So we have everything selected here, like we want to highlight it. And now we come here. This is the sign for the border, you can see. So I tap on this to open a lot of options here. So left border, you can see that dark here. So with this one, only this side will have the border. So now let's choose all borders for everything. Now let me tap here and you can see I have the borders for everything. So this is how you create a table on Excel. It's very, very simple and easy. So there are a lot of them here. Let me try reverting my action. Good. And now let me come here. Let me show you guys a lot of options. So you can see this left. This is top for only this. This is bottom for only this. This is all for everything. This is no border. If you have a table and you want to, undo your action, you can select everything and then choose no border to, undo the table. And this is tick outside. So from here, and then this side, all the side will be tick, but then this wouldn't be tick. So that's it on how you create a table on Excel. I think I've explained everything. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. So that's it for the video. Peace.